Hi everyone, this is a mini lesson that goes along with the activity on the online workbook. So you go to your level 3 workbook, log in online, go to Unit 10, Reading 1, and this is the vocabulary extension activity, which is practicing choosing the correct adjective. It will give you two different options, an adjective ending in ing and an adjective ending in ed. So I'm going to teach you how to choose between those correct answers. Okay, so here's our rule. Adjectives that describe a person's feeling, a person or an animal's feeling, end in ed. And this ed can be pronounced three ways, just like the simple past tense. D, t, or id. If we're describing a thing, like information or an announcement or a piece of homework, we're going to use ing. So I could say I am, because I'm a person describing my own feelings, I could say I am frustrated, id. I am surprised, d. I am relieved, d. I am confused, d. I am shocked, t. But if I'm describing a thing, it, I would say it is surprising, and that S turns into a Z sound. It is surprising. It is shocking. It is confusing. It is relieving, or it is frustrating. Let's take a look at some examples. So on all of these cards, the top left part in blue is describing a person, and the bottom right part in yellow is describing a thing. I am feeling so frustrated, id, by this lockdown. My kid is frustrated with math. Okay, a thing. This homework is frustrating. Learning English can be frustrating. Shocked. I was shocked by the news. The people are shocked by the price of gas. It's pronounced t here because of the k, kt, shocked by the price of gas. T. Things. This thing. This is shocking news. The price of gas is shocking. Again, people. I feel so relieved, d. The students were relieved to see their teacher. The medicine, a thing, is relieving my pain. Now this one here is actually not an adjective. This is actually a verb. This is the present progressive form of the verb using ing. So this one's a little bit different. Surprised. I was surprised, d. You surprised me. The students were surprised. Things. It was surprising. The research is surprising. And don't forget it changes to zing. And the last one. I am confused, d. My dog was confused by the cat. And things, again, changing to zing. The instructions are confusing. My teacher's lesson was so confusing. And I hope that's not the case here. So, to review, here's our rule. When we're describing a person, we're going to use ed, but we know in English when we put ed at the end of the word, it can be pronounced d, t, or id, depending on which letters come before it. This is for a person or an animal, and we use ing to describe a thing. And the examples we looked at were, I am frustrated, surprised, relieved, confused, shocked. And it, a thing, is surprising, shocking, confusing, relieving, and frustrating. And remembering it is relieving my pain is actually a verb. All right, your turn to go to the workbook. Choose the correct answer.